Hey guys, what's going on? This is Rob from ClicksGeek. Just wanted to throw this quick PPC case study video together for workers' compensation lawyers. This is some pretty impressive stuff we got going on here. So this is about 4 months of running a campaign for one of our workers' compensation lawyer clients. And as you can see here, he's got a healthy budget. He spent about 200 a day. Over the course of his 4 months, he's gotten 289 clicks, 6,900 impressions, over 4% click-through rate. Average cost per click about $52, and spent overall about 15 grand. In return, he got 133 leads. That's about I think it was like 102 phone calls, and the rest were form submissions. So those are inbound phone calls directly from Google. He got each one of those for about $100 a piece. Conversion rate about 46%, which is pretty crazy for this niche. Now, there's a couple things I wanted to go over. Is the conversion rate is 46% is pretty much for a full lead generation website. Like this is not just an email. These are name, email, phone, tell us about your situation type contact forms. Okay, so 46% is pretty awesome. We took us about 2 months to get that dialed in with a few different landing page tweaks. We went through about 10 landing page tweaks with this one to dial that in. Now, the keywords in the ad groups that we're going after are a little different than what our competition is doing. We go after only high intent keywords, people looking for an actual lawyer for a workers' compensation claim. We don't go for workers' compensation broad type keywords. So we only want to show our ads to people who are actually looking for a lawyer. That's probably one of the most important differences between the way everyone else runs these campaigns and the way we run them. And that's why we have a 46% conversion rate. Now, maybe if we would have run the broad stuff, we might get a few more conversions. I don't know, but I know the lead quality was the most important thing for this client. So it was extremely important that we didn't really test anything that was too broad and not lawyer specific. So that's why these results are the way they are. The landing page, as I said before, is very simple. Contact form with all that information, phone, name, phone, email, tell us why, what happened type situation, like a little text box. A lot of click to call CTAs all sprinkled throughout the whole landing page, reviews by clients, and just heavy call to actions about calling in for a free consultation. That's pretty much how this landing page worked. And the budget is right on par. I mean, if you're running workers' compensation campaigns, these are really expensive campaigns because the cases are so valuable. So that's why it's important that you have a budget that you can stretch your legs and run. 200 a day is perfect for this space. Even 150, 175, something like that. We have done it with 100 and seen results, but the lead volume was a little bit lower, but still great results. So if you think you're interested in us running this type of workers' compensation campaign for you or your client, reach out below and drop some links in the description below this video. If you have any questions about this campaign or how it works, just drop those in the comments below this video as well.